Hi guys, this is Herr Goethe, and I wanted to show you how to navigate this site before you start so that it's not so confusing. So this series is called Erste Wege in Deutschland, and it's about a young woman's first few days in Germany as an immigrant. So we're going to do the first three exercises. So Einstieg, Folge 1, Folge 2, and you'll see to start off with Einstieg, you click on this photo here. And if you scroll down, there's just three little simple exercises to do. Übung 1, 2, and 3. And they're really easy. You just sort of move the text around, and it's kind of old-fashioned, I know, but it's good vocabulary to know. Once you're done with this, you click Prüfen, and it tells you noch nicht alles ist richtig, means it's not all correct yet, so you need to finish it. And then once you do, you can scroll down here and click on the next exercise, nächste Übung. And then, so this one's all about arranging text. So you drag the text on the line, and I'm going to do this incorrectly on purpose, just because I want to show you what it looks like. So I click Prüfen to check it. Nicht alles richtig, okay? So it's saying to like try again, basically, and rearrange it. And you click on several of these little tabs down here to do a few of these sentences. And for German 3, this is really easy. Okay? And then you go to the next assignment by clicking nächste Übung, which it won't let me do since I haven't finished this. So I got to go to number 5. And now I can go to the next and final part of this exercise, and I organize the pictures. Again, Prüfen tells you to check it, okay? And so that's the end of the Einstieg. Then if I want to go back, I go to Miniserie Erste Wege in Deutschland, and now I'm ready for Folge 1. So I watch this video, and then I do all these little exercises, Übung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and same thing for Folge 2, I watch the video, and then I do Übung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? I hope that helps.